Last time on Race Car Richie.
Too fast. A little nervous. Turn down.
Now we're gonna turn up. Full boost, let's go!
It's hot.
We're gonna take the thermostat out and we're gonna send it.
I guess so.
Yeah! After a little bit of diagnostic, yeah, the head gasket shot. So what do you think of that, babe?
It looks like you guys don't even know what you're doing.
That's the point. He blew his head gasket. He decided 40 PSI was enough. So we're gonna take the head off. We're gonna check for flatness on the head and on the block. And that's what we're doing today. Enjoy the whole time lapse of this video. This off, so that's a 12. Ready? Lift up. Watch that front piece. Magnifico!
That was definitely that time.
Why you blew it?
Does it itself.
Wow! Brian didn't have to take off his whole side of the motor. Tricks, boy, tricks. Yes, yes!
No, I got another one.
No! Throw all this shit in a bin. Lay it all out on the floor and you're like, oh, here's this. Oh, here's this. Oh, perfect. Look, oh my God. Can't do that in a storage unit, Brian. Everything goes in a cardboard box. God damn it, Brian. Make up your mind.
That big black thing.
Directly up to the, wait.
It's pretty close right there. It's only gonna be one. It won't fit in any other way.
And then we put the socket on this adapter.
See it, but I can't see where it's.
So you have to go nice and slow. I was gonna say that should be it. Well, wiggle the, you're gonna have to hold it down. I'm what you call a MacGyver.
No, just the hose.
You have like a bung dike. You just gotta cut an inch off. It's Jack cool, cause I'm cool.
You love putting stuff in the valve cover.
Sharing is caring, bro. I mean, it's full of nuts. I know nuts. That's why I don't have a hood. Everything's so much easier. Easier to rebuild my motor after I blow it up, then blow it up. It ain't going anywhere. I'll hold this up.
It's the last one. You love putting stuff in the valve cover.
You shouldn't have any oil in your intake. No, never mind. That's just paint. God knows we want. I know, Brian. Just it's very tight with the thermostat housing. Nah, fuck it. Is this stripped? O-rings. Yeah, those threads are shot.
Which hole is it?
This one down
Okay.
here. Is that just a... And the exhaust can actually probably just balance the turbo. Drop the turbo and take those 4 bolts off. It's like literally a joke of a job. Actually not that bad. Theoretically, yeah, dude, your fucking motor needs to move. I need the biggest jack. I'm doing cool things, Brian. I'm just a little bit of a stubby.
It's too long.
Yeah, nope, it's gone. That's a really tight one.
You love putting stuff in the valve cover.
Vibration will definitely make it way more loose. Brian.
Okay.
This thing is nasty.
You love putting stuff in the valve cover.
Why don't we just take the turbo off? Yeah, I don't know how you got it so tight. And then this one, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Well, you know each bolt has a washer. So there's no more bolts. Grab something to whack this with. No, it's just because they're smushed. Told you it was the washers. Well, let's see what it wants to do.
You love putting stuff in the valve cover.
Pull it out. Nope, it's hitting the radiator. Either chop that off. I'm not telling you to do it. What are you talking about? Dude, I'm not even kidding.
We're cutting it, don't worry.
Come on, dude. Get a fucking sawzall.
No, get your hand out of there.
Ryan, I have 10 fingers. I'm gonna go from underneath and work with the exhaust. If we take these off, will this mush in? You just have to unplug the fans. Okay. And of course, that's the size you need. I like using the missing ones, Brian.
No, I'm looking for.
Dude, just put Vaseline on it. Good. Now that it's out, maybe you just flush it out with a garden hose. Throw it on the ground. Nice and easy.
But you're helping me.
Now we be careful.
I even know what I have there.
That's it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. Easy.
No, grab the other side, Brian.
Push him, bro.
I'm pushing it.
Oh, you're
Yeah, go.
I don't want to rush and then you drop your end and this thing swings out and hits me in the shin. We're gonna put it down. Make sure there's no cracks.
It's gonna.
Got the head off. I think Brian just blew out the head gasket using like 50 psi from a turbo that was too small. That's it. This is how you check
I
it.
see a light right in between, like 12 and a half.
All right, so we're looking at the block, and you can see around this whole cylinder, it's all black. You can see this one is a little black on this side, but you can see where the combustion is coming in through here, hitting this part of the head gasket and then flowing into the coolant jacket right here. This cylinder also has the same problem up here, so we're gonna check the flatness of the deck, but we think the head gasket's just blown out.
Modify.
They go right through the head pins, I don't think. So let's check up here because this is. Brian, are you gonna get it resurfaced?
Might just do a whole new motor.
Ooh, are you gonna do something juicy?
Maybe.
Are we gonna surprise them?
I think so.
I think we're gonna surprise them. It's new motor time in Brian's car. I think he's gonna go much faster now.
Had a good 5 years out of it.
5 years. How many passes?
Over 50.
So that's pretty much it. I'll keep you guys updated on my car. My stuff's still at the machine shop, just waiting. I was gonna call them today and I forgot. I'm gonna call them tomorrow, see if I got an update. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm Race Car Richie. This is, I don't know, Brian, what are we gonna call you? Boosted Brian? What is it? Banging Gears Brian. That's what he is.
Okay.
He's Banging Gears Brian. We're gonna get him a t-shirt made. This is Banging Gears. Banging Gears and Banging Ears because he's always two-stepping. That's the shirt we're gonna get him. If you guys want me to make a shirt that says Banging Gears and Banging Ears with his car shooting flames, comment below so I know how many I probably need to make, like 5. All right, we're gonna throw the whole car out in this bag now.
Yep.
See you guys later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose
stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.